Right, we're now going to make this design, the green design, which is using this lovely colour called Rastafari from the upvoted. Very nice colour. So here we've got a tip already prepared. Again, it's with a shiny top coat. The sticky layer is not on there, so it's just shiny, but it's nice and non-sticky. So we've got the paint on French gel or your white gel, which you're using. I like, because I say I like to work with my gels slightly thicker, but if you do want to work with it a little bit thinner, you can. In fact, I'll show you if I've got, if you've got your gel polish, because if you think it's too thick, just give it a quick shake. So you can add a tiny dot of the gel polish. You can add it and you can mix it in with your paint on French gel, and this will make it a little bit more runnier, because some people prefer to work with it a bit more runny. It's not my preference, but it doesn't matter. I'll work with it a little bit runnier now. Slightly, that's it. So we're going from the top corner, so I will actually just turn this around for myself. It's a little bit easier to work with on camera from this side. And like I said, you can just turn your customer's fingers around as well if you need to. That's quite easy when you're in the salon. So just loading the brush up to just over halfway, because I want to make some nice long strokes. And if your brush is nicely loaded, it means that you can paint for longer. So I've got quite a big dollop for this one. So we're going to start with the largest leaf. So we apply a dot, we make contact. I think I'm in that's better, in the light. Make contact and we curl it, keeping the brush quite flat this time. And now coming up into the air, that's it. Do it again. I'm applying extra because I want the leaves to be a bit wider this time. So let's see. Just want to go from the side if it's possible. Yeah. So what we do is I'm going to have my brush quite flat this time. Actually can't see what I'm doing, so I might have to remove something. Just quite flat, you see? And then we go around. So let's see what I've made. Okay, it looks all right. Let's just make this a bit smoother here. And come around. So I'll do a few more of those. I'll do this one a bit longer, just so it's a bit more playful. Okay. Oops. Add a dot extra. I do need to keep an eye now on what I'm doing, because it's a bit runnier than if you're working just with the pure gel, and I don't really want my design to run all over the place. So if you're working like this, you do need to work a little bit quicker. But obviously I don't want to work at full speed now while I'm doing a training, because that's not nice if I'm going too fast and you can't see what I'm doing. So we go to the other side now, load the brush, and then we're going to do I'll say a shape, see, a half a circle. So here we've got a dot, and we do a half a circle, press down, come around, join up to the main stem, and we do it again here, a half a circle. We just press down, go around, and then going up to the main stem. You need to continue the line, you just do that, no problem. We can add some little tails onto these, that's always nice. So we just go into our ball that we've got already. That's down and continue the circle a little bit. So let's make these more playful, and we just add little tails to them as well, because that's always nice then when the glitter can stick into the tails, it looks pretty. I've used a white silvery glitter in this training, but you can use any colour you want, and it would actually be quite nice, I think, if you used also a greeny colour, so very similar to the base that you've got. That would be pretty. So just basically play around. Let's just see what we've got now. Okay, so just play around with it and have fun. There's no rules to this. Okay, we'll just make this into another leaf. And we'll give it a little tail. Right, let's see what we've got happening here. I like that, that's cute. My only thing is here, I feel that we need a little bit more, a bit of height here, because otherwise the glitter won't stick enough. It won't get that nice 3D effect which we do want. So we just pick up a ball, just press down, and we'll just make that line thicker. So easy like that. See, this is perfect nail art for beginners, because with just a few strokes you've got such a beautiful design. It really is pretty. Customers will be very happy with these designs. So we've got our glitter again, and we're just going to tap it again into the wet layer. Just wait a few seconds for it to soak in. And that's it, we can tap it away. And we put it into the lamp to harden out for 1 minute. You always have to make sure that you harden out your gel properly, especially white gels, because they've got so much pigmentation in them that it can actually take longer than just another gel of a different colour. The white gels, black gels always need a little bit extra time, even if it just say to do it for half a minute, for example, on the packaging. So let's get our stones ready. Here we are again. So, and the glue, just open up the glue. We've got a variety of stones. I mean, you can, as I said, you can choose whatever colour stones you like. And that's the thing, these designs are here to just to give you inspiration. But you know, on this design, for example, if you want to add extra little leaves coming from the corners or extra curls, you can. It's pretty, just have fun with it. So here we are. Let's get our brush, and we can brush away the excess. Because we used the non-sticky top coat, the glitter doesn't stick to it, it's nice and smooth. So, we're going to add some glitters. Let's see, on our original design we had them, let's just stick it down, it's about to fall off, at the top. I think on this one we can do them at the bottom, why not? That would be nice. So I'm just going to scratch the area where we're going to be applying the glue, because that will just make it adhere even better than if you put it directly onto the sticky sorry, than if you put it directly onto the shiny top coat. So let's just add a couple of dots, not too many. So like that. Yeah. Let's see, we've got stone here, so I'm going to pop that there. I think, let's see, we need a little bit more glue. Just there, that's it. And now we can add another one, a smaller one just here. Yeah, and actually I want to put another one in, why not? Because gemstones are pretty. Yeah, that's nice. And I wonder if it would be too much to put one at the top. I'm not sure really. So I'm not gonna put any glue down. I'm just going to have a look. So we just have a look first and see if we do or don't like that. No, I think it's a bit much. We'll do it without. So that's this design finished. Another pretty design. Hope you enjoyed making it.